for all casting directors and producers who are searching for an actress. Here I am. Why I'm your actress? I'm your actress because I was born to be an actress. Since 10 years old, I started studying. I win several competitions, and then I was always like a superstar in high school, school theater, and city. And then I win a competition, international competition, the first place, and then when I was 15, the second place. Then I never stopped acting, and I was like presentation and dancer and singer in all the shows of the school, of the high school. Then when I was 20, I also went to some auditions in Milano for modeling and acting and singing. Today I want to continue and work with professional people because I think I'm ready. Even if I'm not, you can give me the right thing and add the right thing that I need. So just do it by choosing me, your actress. I'm your actress.